ജപനിലം.
Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are safe. Somebody they did not attend for online classes. Somebody they attended. Those who did not attend for online classes, we are sending this video. Today our topic 3rd class first lesson, shapes around us. Okay, in this lesson first we are going to learn about flat shapes. We are going to learn about flat shapes. Did you remember what are the flat shapes? What are the flat shapes? Once we have to revise once. First one is rectangle. What is the first shape? Rectangle. Say spelling also. R-E-C-T rect, A-N-G-L-E angle, rectangle. How can you find out this rectangle? If you observe the rectangle, see all of you, you can see here flat shape rectangle. If you observe the rectangle, see these opposite sides are equal, this side and this side. These two opposite sides are equal and these two opposite sides are equal. Then we can say this is rectangle. First one is opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay, now all of you observe again the rectangle. See here, how many sides are there in rectangle? Count there. 1, 2, 3, 4. In rectangle we have 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides. Now how many corners? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 4 corners. See here. Now rectangle has opposite sides are equal, it has 4 sides and it has 4 corners. Now in this lesson we are going to learn diagonals, how to find out the diagonals. Okay, next go to second flat shape. What is that? Square. Did you find out square? See here, all of you, did you remember the square? Yes. How can you find out this is a square? In the square all sides are equal. All sides are equal. And now how many sides are there in the square? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, square has 4 sides. And how many corners? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. See, you can observe this is the square shape. In this we have all sides are equal, and see if you observe all sides are equal, it has 4 sides and 4 corners. These are the corners. These are the corners, 4 corners. Next one is triangle. Triangle. Now how many sides triangle has? Triangle has 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. And how many corners? You can observe 1, 2, 3. And 3 corners. And one more thing. See here, triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Maybe you can ask, teacher, in triangle all sides are equal? Yes, in triangle all sides are equal. It will depending on the sides property. Some triangle has all sides will be equal, that is called equilateral triangle. Some triangles has 2 sides only equal, that is called isosceles. 3 sides different means we have to call scalene triangle. About this we can learn next classes. Okay, now last one is the circle. What is this? Circle. See, if you observe the circle, is there any side? No. Circle has no sides and no corners. No corners. You can say circle look like 0. Yes, it has 0 sides and 0 corners. Now, did you get idea about the flat shapes? What are the flat shapes? Rectangle, square, triangle and circle. These are the flat shapes. Now for these flat shapes we are going to find out the diagonal. What is meant by diagonal? See here, if you observe the rectangle, it has 4 sides. If you join this opposite sides, we will call that is the diagonal. For example, see here, I will show here, this is the rectangle. In rectangle we have 4 corners. Already we learned 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Corner by corner, these are called adjacent corner. One corner opposite another corner, these corners are called opposite corners. If you draw a line to opposite corner, that is called a diagonal. All of you see how to form a diagonal. See, if you join the opposite corner, we will get a line that is called diagonal. See here, you can see here diagonal. Now, how many diagonals? Rectangle has 1 diagonal and another one I will fold here. So you can see here. Yes. See here. Rectangle has 2 diagonals from this corner to this corner and this corner to this corner. If you join 2 opposite corners, that is called a diagonal. Now we got another point. What is that? Rectangle has 4 diagonals. How many diagonals rectangle has? 4 diagonals. Rectangle has 4 diagonals. See here. Next, go to square. How many diagonals square has? We can find out. See here. How many corners square has? Square has 4 corners. If you fold the opposite corners, we will get a line. That is called a diagonal. Now I am finding the diagonal of the square. See, 1 and 2. Now see, how many diagonals square has? Square has 1 opposite corner to opposite corner and another opposite corner also we have to join. Now how many diagonals square has? Square has 2 diagonals. Sorry, I wrote here 4. Diagonal. How many diagonals square has? Square has 2 diagonals. See here, rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Square has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Now all of you go to triangle. All of you observe the triangle. Is there any opposite corners for triangle? No. Triangle has no opposite corners. That's why you can say no opposite sides. Why? Because these are the all are, if you observe in triangle, those all are adjacent corners only. Triangle has no opposite corners, that's why no diagonals. 0 diagonals, you can say 0 diagonals. Next, square also, circle also, it don't have corners, that's why it don't have diagonals. 0 diagonals. Okay, now did you get clarity about flat shapes? Okay, rectangle opposite sides are equal, 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. In square, all sides are equal, it has 4 sides, it has 4 corners and it has 2 diagonals. Triangle, it has 3 sides, 3 corners and it has 0 diagonals, and circle has no sides, no corners, no diagonals. Okay, next, if you learn these flat shapes, you can complete your activity 1.3 and 1.6. You can complete this. By these flat shapes, you can come in your studio, you can complete 1.3 and 1.6 activities. Okay, now we have to go to next topic, tangram. What is our next topic? Tangram. What is meant by tangram? Till now maybe you did not heard this word, tangram. Tangram means set of 7 flat shapes. What is meant by tangram? Tangram means set of 7 flat shapes. Set of 7 flat shapes. You can see these tangram sets in your drawing room. You can see here what is the shape. Can you find out? If you see, if you observe carefully, you can see here cat picture, cat diagram. In this, They used all flat shapes only. This is called a tangram set. See here, how many flat shapes are there? In this I will count. You also count along with me. See how many are there? 1. This is the triangle flat shape. Second one also triangle. It is also a flat shape. See here, this is the square. This one also flat shape. And fourth one triangle again. Fifth one triangle. 6 and 7. Here, this is a cat picture. This is called a tangram. Why? Because it is made up of 7 flat shapes. Okay, did you understand about tangram? Okay, if you learn this, you can do tangram activity. By this tangram sets, you can do the activity 1.8, 1.7 and 1.8 and 1.9 also you can do by this tangram sets. Okay, after we have solid shapes. I think you know solid shapes. Solid shapes. Do you know what is the difference between solid shapes and flat shapes? Okay, flat shapes means it have only 2 dimensions, means 2 measurements only. That's why you have to call the flat shapes are called 2D shapes. Solid shapes has 3 dimensions, 3 measurements. That's why you have to call solid shapes are 3D shapes. Solid shapes are 3D shapes. What is the first solid shape? Can you find out anybody this shape? See here. This is the cuboid. What is this? Cuboid. It has 3 dimensions. See, I will show the cuboid. You can see. This is the cuboid. It's look like a rectangle. Why? Because this face, what we can see, that is called face. This face is look like a rectangle. See, you can observe, this is the solid shape. What is the difference between rectangle and cuboid, you may ask. See here, if you observe, rectangle has only 2 sides, length and breadth. But cuboid has third shape also, that is height. See, length, breadth, height. These are called solid shapes. This is the cuboid. It is a solid shape. Now, if you observe, how many faces cuboid has? See, I will count. What is meant by face? What we can see, that side is called a face. 1. See, how many faces? 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many faces cuboid has? Cuboid has 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Now see here, we can see these are called edges. What we have to call? Edges. How many edges cuboid has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12. How many edges cuboid has? Cuboid has 12 edges. See here, how many faces we find out? Cuboid has 6 faces and 12 edges, corners. Now we have to know corners. How many corners cuboid has? You can see here 1. This is called corners, where 2 sides are meeting, that is called a corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many corners cuboid has? 8 corners. Did you get clarity about this? Cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. You have to know, you have to learn how to draw the cuboid. See here, cuboid rectangle and another rectangle, and you have to join the edges. See here, if you observe the faces of the cuboids, it's look like a rectangle. If you observe the faces of the cuboid, it's look like a rectangle. Next one is the, see here, cube. What is the next one? Cube. See, you can observe here, cube. What did you observe from this cube? All sides are equal and all faces are equal. Yes. Next one is cube. Cube. If you observe the faces of the cube, all are square shape. If you observe the faces of the cube, all are square shape. Now, how many faces cube has? See, cube has. I will count, all of you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces cube has? 6. Like cuboid only, cube has 6 faces. Next one, edges. Edges. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges? 12 edges. And corners. As usual, 8 only. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cube also, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Now, next one is the cylinder. Did you observe this shape anywhere? I think you can observe this shape in your kitchen. Yes? Okay, I will show this. Okay, this is the cylinder. Cylinder, you can observe cylinder. How many faces it has? You can observe, this is the, see here, 1, 2, 3. How many faces it has? Cylinder has 3 faces. How many faces? 3 faces. If you observe, these are the 3 faces. 2 are the flat faces, one is the curved face. Now, edges. How many edges? Yes, see here, 1 and 2. It has only 2 edges. And corners. No corners, 0 corners. Cuboid has 0 corners. Okay, next one is the cone. See here, you can observe here, cone. Cone, all of you observe the cone. How it will be? Where did you see this cone shape? I think ice creams, mehandi cones. Maybe you observe, this is cone. How many faces cone has? See here, faces. How many faces? How many faces are there? Cone has 2 faces. See here, 1 and 2. 2 faces. See here, next edges. How many edges are there? It has only 1 edge. And corners. Corners, only 1 corner. How many corners it has? Only 1 corner. Next, last one is sphere. Sphere means it's look like a ball. Do you have ball at your home? I think you all have balls at your home. Okay, all of you take your ball and observe that. That is the sphere shape. It will be a sphere shape. How many faces it has? It has only 1 face. And it has no edges and no corners. It has only 1 face. Sphere has only, you have to observe your ball, it has only 1 face and 0 edges and 0 corners. These are the solid shapes. Did you find out about flat shapes and solid? What are the flat shapes and what are the solid shapes? Did you get clarity about this too? Okay, if you learn the solid shapes in your studio, you can cover the question time and 1.14 activity and 1.15 activity and 1.16 activity and 1.13 also you can complete these activities. By learning the solid shapes, you can complete these activities from studio. Okay, next last topic is tessellation. This is very interesting topic for you. Why? Because these are the games only. We will play games with blocks. Did you play any time games with blocks? All will play, I know that. Okay, see here, what is meant by tessellation? What is meant by tessellation? Arranging the shapes without gaps. See here, you can observe these shapes. See, it's look like a cuboid. Yes or no? Okay, leave about this. It's look like a cuboid and it's look like a cube. If you arrange these shapes without gaps, see here, I am arranging these shapes without gaps. Is there any gap in between these 2 shapes? No. If you arrange the shapes without leaving gaps are called tessellation. Okay, did you understand? Here to tessellate this shape, how many shapes we used? Here we used only one shape. See here, this is cuboid only. That's how many shapes we used to tessellate this? We used only one shape. Now I will make another shape. See here. Now I want to tessellate another shape. See here. Here also tessellation only. How can I arrange the shapes without leaving the gaps? That's why you can say this is also a tessellation shape. Here, but to form this, I used two types of shapes. Here, one is the cuboid shape and remaining three are the cube shapes. Here, to form a tessellation shape, I used two shapes. Okay, did you understand that about tessellation? I hope you all understand this. If you learn tessellation, you can complete 1.17 and 1.18, 1.19, 1.20, 1.21 and 1.22. These are all activities by tessellation you can complete. If you learn tessellation, you can complete 1.17, 1.18, 1.19, 1.20, 1.21 and 1.22. These are all activities you can cover by tessellation. Okay, Nana, thank you all of you. I hope you all will complete this lesson. You can learn. Thank you.